Today we're going to take a flat vector illustration and texturize it using Adobe Illustrator. If you are new here, my name is Erin, a formerly self-taught designer turned university professor with 10 years of experience working with clients. This tutorial can work using raster image textures, but today we'll be using my preferred method, a vector texture from vecteasy.com, which you can download in the YouTube description. Oh, and while you're down there, show me some love and give this video a thumbs up, and I will meet you back in Illustrator. To get started, make sure you have your texture and 2 copies of the artwork you want to apply it to. Select your texture and hit Command or Control C to copy it to the clipboard. With your artwork selected, open the transparency panel and click Make Mask. Here you'll have your image thumbnail and your mask thumbnail. So go ahead and select the mask thumbnail and hit Command or Control V to paste the texture into your mask. Uncheck Clip. You can choose to invert the mask if you think that that looks good. Once it's pasted, you can move the texture around until it's in a position that you like over your artwork. While you have the mask thumbnail selected, you won't be able to edit any object in your workspace except the texture pasted in your mask. So when you're done, just select your image icon so you can keep working. So far, so good, but we're not done yet. Vector textures contain a ridiculous number of anchor points, which can increase your file size and slow down your software. So in this next step, I'll show you how you can clean it up. Before we move on, if this has been helpful so far, please take a moment to support the channel by subscribing. The final step is destructive, so make sure you're happy with what you've got before you do this. I'm going to go ahead and delete this because that's thousands of anchor points. And now I'm going to select my second illustration and hit Command or Control C to copy it. Now I'm going to select my first illustration, click the mask icon, and now paste that second illustration into my mask. And now click and drag the copy to line up with the illustration underneath. With the copy selected, hold down Shift on your keyboard and then select your texture. Once you have them both selected, open up your Pathfinder window and go ahead and click Crop, which is the 4th option in the second row. And that just deleted all of the texture around your illustration. Now go to Object, Path, Simplify, and despite deleting all of those unnecessary anchor points, you'll see here that we still have over 8,000 anchor points. So all you have to do is start moving this slider down. Now keep in mind, when deleting anchor points with this method, you'll see that it is slightly changing the shape of the paths. That isn't a big deal when working with organic textures, but generally when you use this, you want to find the sweet spot where you've reduced the number of anchor points without radically changing the shape. If you get to the end of the slider and want to continue reducing the number of anchor points, you can again go to Object, Path, Simplify, and you'll be able to continue deleting anchor points. And when you're done, go to Object, Expand to lock it in. Let's give this illustration an even more organic feel. So first, let's get out of our mask by selecting our image thumbnail. Go to the Appearance panel, click Effects, Distort and Transform, Roughen. Make sure Preview is checked so you'll see what Roughen does. It just roughens up the edges of the illustration. Select Absolute and Smooth, and now play with the size and detail to get the effect you want. I'm setting my size to 3 and my detail to 7. And by the way, this is a non-destructive effect, so if you want to change it, all you have to do is select your image and then in your Appearance panel, double-click on Roughen and you'll be able to adjust those settings. All right, and here is your final result. You can see how just a little bit of effort totally changes the feel of the illustration. I hope this video helped elevate your work. If it did, the best way that you can say thank you is to subscribe to my channel where I upload new tutorials every week. Thank you for watching.